Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your code is in a Git repo with a clear entry point for web apps add requirements, TXT or pip reject, TOML and a proc file like web, unicorn app. Once done, push your branch and sign into render, then click new right arrow web service and connect your Git provider. Make sure to choose the correct branch and runtime Python. This gets render to see your app and trigger the first build quickly so you can iterate. Next, you configure how render should build and run your app. Set the build command, typically pip install R requirements, TXT, and the start command if proc file isn't used. Add environment variables and secret keys in render's dashboard. Include database URL or API keys so your app can connect to services. If using Django, make sure static files and collect static are handled. For complex setups, add a render YAML or Docker file to declare services, health checks, and persistent disks. This gives determined. Finally, trigger the deploy and watch the live build and service logs to confirm success. Once the build finishes, run migrations or one-off commands from the dashboard, then verify endpoints and the configured domain with HTTPS. If something fails, inspect render logs immediately for stack traces and missing module errors. Make sure environment variables and the start command match what you tested locally. If deployments stall, restart the service.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.